to this video. This is slot metaverse. So before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like the video. Okay, let's get started. This is your settings where you set the game to your liking, and this is the amount of Bitcoin I've earned already, and this is the amount of cash coin I've earned, and this is their spin. This is where you spin for daily bonus, and this is their bonus item that will be given to you. Okay, now let me show you how this game works. If you want to play this game, it's so simple. Just have to press on this spin button, and when you press on this spin button, this slot machine will run, and then when it stops at this exact item, this three item in the middle, you earn coins. You earn this coin, and then you earn this coin at some point. Okay, let's play this game. This game is so simple to play with. This is the money I've earned right here, as you can see. Let's go into the cash out page. Let me show you. This is the cash out page. As you can see, this is $1,000 PayPal money, and this is $2,000 PayPal money. Thank you for watching to this video, and like the video if you enjoy it.